Good morning friends, today it's 28th of August 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. So yesterday we have seen that the index has made intraday high of 25,153 spot. The intraday hurdle was close to around 25,165 and it slipped down to end the session at 25,083, marginally up by 0.13%. So as per the price study, we believe that it can be traded with a range to positive outlook with buy on dip outlook. Immediate support for the Nifty as per the intraday charts will be close to around 24,880 and 24,700 levels, holding over and above which the bias will be buy on dip. At the same time, on the higher note, 25,250 and 25,500, these levels can act as a strong hurdle. So buy on dip and sell on rise remains the outlook. We have seen that this week the index has gained almost 1.84% after last week pullback. So that this follow-up is on a good note, but the only concern is that this Monday there was a big gap of opening and that gap is left unfilled. So the index may attempt to fill that gap in days to come, and that gap is between 24,600 to 24,800 zone. So dips towards those levels can provide a better risk reward ratio. At the same time, initially if any move towards 25,250 and higher is expected, that can be looked for contra trading short bets. So the broader range for next few weeks for Nifty spot can be 24,600 and 25,350 with buy on dip and sell on rise outlook. For the day today for Nifty futures, trading range can be 25,000, 25,200 with the buy on dip towards 25,000 and 24,920 Nifty futures, keeping a stop of 50 points, while move towards 25,190 and 25,260 can be looked for contra trading shorts, maintaining 6 stop losses. Bank Nifty ended at 55,890 levels, and potential trading range for the day today for Bank Nifty can be 55,700 and 56,200 mark. 55,700 or 55,500 can be looked for intraday buying, keeping a stop of 100 points, while pullback towards 56,150 and 56,350 can be looked for selling, keeping a stop of 100 points. So if we see in last few weeks, this is the second week of pullback attempts in last 9 weeks, and this pullback is initially expected to find strong resistances at a higher strike price. For example, in Nifty spot, it need to sustain about 25,250, 25,500 zone, while in respect the Bank Nifty, it need to sustain about 56,250, 56,500 zone in order to attract short covering and fresh decent buying interest. So the initial leg of pullback towards these levels is expected to witness selling pressure and profit taking, followed up by lower retesting of lower support levels. Support levels towards 24,800, 24,600 can provide a better risk reward ratio for fresh long bets. So buy on dip will be the outlook till the time Nifty is holding over and above immediate support of 24,800 and major support of 24,400 mark, expecting Nifty to head higher towards 25,800, 26,000 zone in next few weeks to come. In between, on a shorter time frame, as per the intraday charts, it can enter into some kind of consolidation phase and retracement can not be ruled out. Those retracement should be looked for stock specific filtering and buying and positioning oneself on the long side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.